Hi, I'm Karin from Karinyogalife. And today I wanted to show you a really great core strengthener balancing pose that can be done from a tabletop position. So if you have sensitive wrists, elbows, or shoulders, maybe you don't want to do this one, or if you want to try it, but if you feel any sensitivity, if something is hurting, just back off and don't do it. So we're going to start in our tabletop position. So again, knees right underneath the hips, hands right underneath the shoulders, fingers spread out, pushing the floor away, engaging those arm muscles, pulling the core in. So right from this position, we're strengthening our arms, strengthening our core. So from here, we're going to extend the right leg out behind us, keeping the hip down. So just coming onto the ball of the back foot, stretching that right leg. And if this feels okay, you're going to lift the right leg off the floor, pull the belly in, engage the core. You already feel yourself starting to work. If this feels okay, you're going to stretch the left arm out, coming into a balance. So you're reaching the left arm out, you're reaching the right foot out behind you, flexing that foot, pull the belly in, and let's stay here for 3 breaths. So inhale, exhale 1, inhale, exhale 2, inhale, exhale 3, and come back to center. Bring the left hand underneath you, bring that right knee down, and we'll change sides. So stretching out the left leg, coming onto the ball of the left foot, feeling nice and stable. Reach the right hand out, engage the core, pick up that back leg, and pull the belly in. And breathe, 3 breaths. Inhale, exhale 1, inhale, exhale 2, inhale, exhale 3. Come back down to center, bring the hand down, bring the knee down, and you can rest in child's pose or just sit back on your heels. So as I always say, in any posture, wobbling is working. If you feel yourself shaking a little bit or wobbling, you're actually doing good. Your muscles are working, so don't worry about that. So that's what I wanted to share today, a nice balancing pose, which has other variations, which I will demonstrate in another video. So again, please let me know how you found this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you.